So where the flower and the bud will be joined together here, you are going to add a big leaf, and then going down, add another big leaf, and then another leaf towards the end. So this is now your sprig, flower bunch. So you have the small leaves, then you have 3 big leaves. Okay, so you are just going to measure 2 or 2.5 in the as gap before you are going to put the leaf. But here towards the lower part, you can just shorten the gap towards here. So next we are going to add leaves to the flowers only, because you will only need 2 or 3 bunch with buds in your flower arrangement, and the rest will be flowers only with the leaves. So 2 leaves, smaller leaves, and 2 bigger leaves. So our gap here is 2 centimeters. So this is another 2 centimeters, then 2 centimeters, then 2 centimeters. Or you just eyeball or just adjust. Okay, so here we have a flower. We're going to add the smaller leaf, and let's measure. Okay, so around here is the 2 centimeters. Then put together and twist. Okay, okay, so you have this. Then measure another 2 centimeters. Okay, around here. Then put another small leaf, hold together and twist. Okay, so here you go. Okay, you just arrange the leaves later. Then we will add another leaf, this time a bigger leaf. Let's have 2, so around here, a little more than 2. So let's put the leaf here, hold together with your left hand and twist with the right hand. Twist with your right. Okay, and then we will add the last leaf, the 4th leaf. Let's measure again. 2 centimeters. Let's measure again 2 centimeters. So around here. So around here. Let's put the last leaf there. Hold together the two stems and twist. Okay. So now you have okay. Okay. So what we will be doing next is the assembly and also potting for our flower arrangement. We are going to start by making the flowers into a bunch. I have already made one bunch here, and we are going to make another one. So let us start with the flower with the bud. So you are going to put them together at the edge, and using a wire you're going to tie them together. Then you put another one. Another one with a bud. And tie them tightly together. Then we have the last flower. Perhaps here. Just tie them together in a bunch. Then, after you finish, so that it would not it will remain tight. Just put your wire in one of the stems and tie backwards, and then going down. Okay, then you can trim the stems so that they will be aligned. Okay, so here you have the second bunch. And then the leaves should be towards the outside. Okay, you have this bunch. Now you have two bunches. And then when we are going to put them on a pot, we are going to put them together as one. So let's prepare where we are going to put them. I have here a cup, a ceramic cup. This is where we are going to put the flowers. But first, we need to prepare the plaster. So this is like a cement that we are going to put on the cup. So this is called the Plaster of Paris. You can buy this at a hardware store where they sell cement, but this one is called Plaster of Paris. I think it is 45 pesos per kilo here in Lapu-Lapu. So you fill 2 cups, but they have to be of the same weight. I think this is, they have to be equal. Then you also need to prepare water. So they need to be equal. Okay, so 2 cups of plaster and 1 cup of water. We will mix them together. Let's put first the plaster. I think this is already too much, but anyway, we will just try. We will just put enough on the pot. Then you are going to mix them. Mix them thoroughly so that there will be no lumps. We will now pour this on the cup. So we will not pour everything. Oh, I think this is enough for our flowers. So you have your plaster here. You're going to put your flowers. Okay, this will take a few minutes for the plaster to settle and to harden. And here is the finished product that we have made. They are very dainty and beautiful flowers.